this video, it is going viral on social media right now, getting millions of views and trending everywhere. The best part is that you do not need to do much work for this. No camera, no face reveal, no extra effort. You only need 2 things, so let's do it step by step. Firstly, all the prompts that I am using will be available in the description. Now copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Within seconds, you will get a response asking what type of character you want, like male or female, and other details. Then define your character properly. For example, what fruit it will be, male or female, what clothes they will wear, and a few more details. After that, send it to ChatGPT. In just a few seconds, you will get a complete, detailed prompt for your character. Now, we need to create images from it, for which we will use Flow. So first, open Google and search for Flow. Then click on the first website and log in. I am already logged in. Now, click on New Project. After that, set your settings like Nano or Pro Model, aspect ratio, and image quantity. Now go back to ChatGPT. Copy your first image prompt. Come back to Flow, paste it there, and within seconds your image will be generated. Again, follow the same process and generate all your images. Then click on the 3 dots and download each image one by one. Now, copy your second prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. In a few seconds, you will get another response. For more detail, copy the story response given by ChatGPT and paste it again. Then send it. Now you will receive fully detailed image prompts and video prompts, scene by scene. Now, we need to generate scene by scene images. Copy your first scene prompt and paste it into Flow. Then click the plus button and select the character used in that scene. After that, click Send. In a few minutes, all your scene images will be ready. Then download them one by one. Now we need to generate videos, and again we will use Flow. Change the settings from image mode to video mode. Select the aspect ratio. Then choose Fast Light Quality, which only uses 10 credits. Now copy the video prompt. Go to Flow, select the image you want to animate, click the 3 dots, choose Add Prompt, paste your prompt, and click Send. Again, repeat the same process for all images and generate all the videos. Now, see this video, how clean and realistic it looks. After that, download all the videos one by one. Now we will do editing. For editing, I will use Filmora, but you can use any editing tool. There is not much to do. Import all your scenes, keep the volume full, and add transitions in between scenes. Then export the final video. Now you can see how amazing the final result looks. Fully ready to up.
Every smile here hides pressure. I just want to go home. Stay late tonight.
Don't wake you up, little me.
You're special. Stay close to me.
Sir, I only came here to work. I always get what I want. I trusted you more than myself.
Hurting me hard time.
You're hurting me with your doubt. Then why do I feel you slipping away?
Again late. Where were you?
Please.
Not tonight.
Then tell me the truth.
I'm angry because I'm scared to lose you.
Then hold me, not your anger.
Come back to me.
Upload for more motivational videos like this. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.